To talk about doors for a little bit, this is a bathroom that is servicing this area, and this door is connected to the system. So the door locking and closure is part of it. All the doors, if they're open or closed, are using Symbiant Lock Sense. This is a product we have that goes in the door that detects where the lock is. It's not something you're going to find typically. It's something we spent a lot of time engineering. And in this case, the sliding doors, we have Symbiant Lock Sense. For this, we have a smart lock system, and we can go ahead and close that. You notice that the icon is changing here to tell you the status of that door has changed. So you have this electronic override just about everywhere. There are many layers of this on the property. The fireplace is connected to the automation system. It really gives the customer or the owner this kind of ease of use. And with our macro platform, the owner can set one button and everything changes. This is just a beautiful view of Long Island Sound. And it doesn't get much better than this. You see here that the tracks for the motorized insect screens, this is pretty much heaven on earth. So this looks like a normal pool gate, but it's not. This gate is monitored. So when we talked about the touchscreens before, having status of doors, well, the owner also knows the status of these personal gates, as well as, of course, the automated front gates in the front of the property. So if in the middle of the night a gate opens up, and of course you've got all your cameras, but to have that information right away and know which gate it is, that's pretty good peace of mind. And if people ask, what kind of business are we in? Yeah, we're in technology, but what we're really delivering for the homeowner and for the business owner is peace of mind.